I was spending so much time creating blog posts, but my Pinterest traffic just wasn't moving. My boards weren't optimized, my pins weren't ranking, and I barely had time to keep up. At one point, I wondered if blogging was even worth it. That's when I decided to stop doing everything myself. I went to Fiverr and found people who specialize in Pinterest SEO. They manage accounts, optimize boards, create keyword rich pins, and keep everything running on autopilot. So while they handled Pinterest, I focused only on writing my blog. And the results blew me away. Within a few months, 70% of my blog traffic was coming directly from Pinterest. Every day, I saw steady visitors landing on my site from the pins they managed. And because of that, I didn't give up on blogging. Even while waiting for Google SEO to kick in, Pinterest kept me growing. So here's the truth. If you're struggling with Pinterest growth, you don't have to do it all yourself. Fiverr has experts who can manage your Pinterest every month, optimize for SEO, and keep traffic flowing to your blog. If you want results faster, check out Fiverr Gigs for Pinterest management. It might just be the shortcut that finally takes your blog from invisible to unstoppable. Trust me, if Pinterest could bring in 70% of my blog traffic, it can do the same for you. I'll drop the link below to the Pinterest service I recommend, the same one that kept me from quitting blogging. So if you've been struggling with Pinterest like I was, remember, you don't have to do it all yourself. Focus on creating content, let the experts handle the growth, and watch your blog traffic multiply. Pinterest can be your biggest traffic driver if you play it smart.